Well, hi, this is Kim. I know we've been gone for a while, but I'm back. Anyways, this is my 9-month update of my car, 8,500 miles, my 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring Hatchback. Here's my honest opinion. I've been driving quite a bit in sunny weather, in stormy weather. The Civic has done me well. I've been getting about 27 miles per gallon. No issues with the car at all, except for one. The oil dilution smell. It's gas smell inside the car. It's kind of annoying, but I think maybe I have found a solution. I read that if you use premium gas, you won't have the smell. And I did that. I put a tank of premium and I did not have the smell. But I didn't want to keep using premium because it's too expensive. So I have been using one tank of premium a month. And then the rest of the month I do regular. And so far so good. I have not had the smell. So that may be a solution. I really don't want to use premium because the whole purpose of getting this car was to save money, and using premium gas was not the plan. So one tank a month is not breaking the bank, and I think it's helping get rid of the gas smell. There are lots of things I like about the car. It's comfortable. The lumbar and the seats could help, but it's fine. It's easy and fun to drive. There's decent storage in the hatchback. There's lots of tech features and safety features, and they all work really great. Except for CarPlay for some reason. It takes time for it to connect. It could be my phone's problem, though. It might not be the car's fault. It does eventually connect, but not sometimes right away. But I will say, as soon as you turn the car off, it disconnects immediately. So you don't lose those phone calls, which is kind of nice. Anyways, yeah, I like all the features of the car, and that was the reason I picked this one. I've been really busy lately with my mom. It's a blessing to have her near me, but as she's aging, she requires more and more care, so I've been really trying to find the perfect spot for her. I spent a lot of time driving this car. I've spent a lot of miles, and I really gotten to know it. So anything I don't like, well, to be honest, I really can't think of anything negative to say. I've been driving so much lately, taking my mom back and forth to doctor's appointments and everything, and the car has done me well. And I found out I can fit a wheelchair in the back seat. No problem, just fold it up, throw it in, and her walker fits in there too. The car's been good. Like I said, all sorts of weather. I don't have any issues at all. And I've been really driving it a lot, and the more I drive it, the more comfortable it feels to me. So is this 2023 Honda Civic Sport Touring Hatchback what I expected? Would I recommend you buy one? Is there anything I would suggest for you to look at and consider before buying one? Well, okay. Here's the answers. Is it the car I expected? Yes, for the most part, it is. It's economic, sort of. It's fun. It's sporty-ish looking. It's dependable, practical, comfortable, typical Honda quality. I enjoy driving it. I like the looks of it. I'm not a Toyota person. I know a lot of people love Toyotas. I think the Hondas are cuter. But yeah, anyways. Is this 2023 what I expected? Yes, it is. Okay, would I recommend you buy one? Well, if you're looking at this market segment and this fits your budget, it's a good buy. To me, it was the best mix of price, options, and Honda quality. Like I said, I've had Hondas in the past, and I like Hondas. So I skewed more towards Hondas versus other people really love Toyotas. And, they'll buy a Toyota over a Honda anytime. But you really need to drive them and see what feels good to you. So would I recommend that you buy one? Yes. But if you would rather have a Toyota, get a Toyota. Everybody has their own choices here. It's a free country. Is there anything else I think you should consider? Well, yes, I think you should test drive a few cars so you can compare them. If you only drove one car, you wouldn't have nothing to compare it to. Don't listen to what I say, what anybody has to say. You need to make up your own mind. What's the price range you want to spend? What features are important to you? What car looks nice to you? Which one's the most comfortable? You need to go and compare and really do pros and cons of each and pick the one that fits what you need the best. So is there anything else you should look at? Yes, look at a few different cars. Don't take anyone else's word for it. The comparable cars that I looked at in this market were, the same segment. I did the Test drove the Acura Integra, which I really loved, but they were adding huge markups to it, so I ended up not finding that a great value. And the Subaru Impreza, which also was really great. They were hard to find, and it felt a little smaller to me, to be honest. So anyways, I just kind of made my mind up that I wanted a Honda. Please subscribe and like this video. I always forget to ask. Thank you so much. Okay, I wanted to talk about this. Car seats and strollers. So I could not find this information anywhere online, so I wanted to share it. 2 full-size car seats fit great in the back. My grandkids were here. They fit great in there. But there's no room in the middle for anyone to sit. So yes, you could fit 2 car seats in there, but that's really it. Stroller. Now, a regular size stroller fits fine in the back, but we had a double bob that we were trying to use to take to Disneyland, and we could not get it in the car. We rotated it, flipped it, tried everything we could to get it in there. It would not fit. It's an awesome stroller, but it's huge. So just know that if you have the seat up, which you would have if you had kids because they'd have to sit in the back, you cannot take a double bob stroller inside the Honda Civic hatchback. It will not fit. Now, if you fold the seat down, it fits just fine. But, you know, where are the kids going to sit, right? I wanted to just talk about this because I scoured everywhere trying to determine whether it would fit before I even tried, and there was no information about this. And if you look at the measurements of the stroller, it looks like it will fit, but it does not fit. If you could take the front tire off, it would work. But anyways, so I just wanted to mention that. So car seats and strollers, they fit pretty good. Gas mileage, I get 27 miles per gallon, combination of highway and city, which is a little less than I thought it would be, but, you know, in the end of things, it's fine. Why did I choose the Honda? I've gone over this before. I wanted safety features, tech features. I wanted a car that was fun to drive and reliable and will keep its value. And to me, that's what a Honda is. So that's why I chose the Honda Civic. I've had Hondas before, and I personally value the quality of these cars. Will this specific car meet those standards? I hope so. But you need to test one for yourself. I had a Honda Odyssey in 2004. Loved that van. It was amazing. And then I got a Acura TL Type S after that, which I also love. Acuras are made by Honda. So that's why I really wanted to go towards Honda this time. And I'm so far glad I did. Bottom line, I like the car. Not run into any issues other than the oil dilution problem. I have one service so far, and it was not a great experience, but that's not the car's fault. I've had the car now for 9 months, 8,500 miles. So far, so good. Like I said, I've really gotten to know it in the last few months. I've been driving it a lot, and the more I drive it, the more I like it. It's reliable, it's predictable, and it's exactly what I need right now. So, yeah, it's great. Is it the best Civic ever? I never had a Civic before, so I can't answer that. People are saying it is, though. I'll keep you posted. I really feel like it's going to be a great little car. I don't foresee having any huge issues, and hopefully I don't. So anyways, I'll make sure you check back, because every few months I'm going to do an update, and I'll let you know what happens if I run into any issues or problems and want to have my next service. Meanwhile, if you have any questions and comments, please add them below. I will try to answer each and every one of them. If I don't know the answer, I will try to find it for you. If you have a 2023 Honda Civic, do you agree with my opinions? Is your experience the same? I want to thank you for watching, and